So let's talk about how you can know if someone is watching your iPhone. So usually by watching, we mean that they have access to your location or you share some sort of data with a third party. And the most likely scenario is through the Find My application. So this is what it looks like. It's a way to share and track the location of your devices, AirTags, and of course, people. So if you get inside, you can see like a map or whatever. And at the bottom, you have the people, devices, items, and me. And essentially, you want to go to the people right there in the bottom left to see if there is any list of potentially some people who could track your location without you knowing, right? So then my list doesn't really show anything, so I can just start sharing and invite other people and my contacts to start tracking and seeing my phone. But as of right now, I don't have anything. So you just want to check it and make sure that nobody is in this section, meaning nobody tracks and sees what you're doing day to day. So this is like the first layer. But naturally, outside of that, there are many third-party apps. Like, for example, WhatsApp has the built-in ability to click on plus and start sharing the location, right? So it's kind of important to keep that in mind that other services and apps might still share it and not necessarily just the Find My. So the way to track that would be to open up these settings and come back to the main section, essentially, and you should be able to find what's called privacy and security. So this is what it is. Tap on this and check out location services. At first, we have the location sharing and location services at the top. You can turn it off completely, but then of course some apps and, for example, map application and some useful services will not have access to it. So don't turn it off completely, but check out the sharing location, right? So it's not right here. So I'm going to just turn it off like that, right? So this is another place where you can turn it off. But as you can see, nobody was tracking it to begin with. But okay, let's do it anyway. But also below, we have a list of all of the other apps which might potentially access your location. So for example, WhatsApp, if you choose it to never, nobody can know where you are, right? Same thing for Snapchat or some other things as well, like Instagram. Perhaps I'm going to set it to never, even though nobody might actually want to track my location. Perhaps it might be for the purposes of me using the app, but still, just to be sure, you can set it to never to keep your privacy high. And by this, I essentially invite you to go through your settings and essentially set it up the way that you want, just so you're happy with the way your phone works. So let me know below in the comments if you have some more thoughts or questions regarding this topic or this issue. Subscribe for more guides and tutorials like this one, and hopefully I can catch you in the future tutorials as well.